Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And we're here with
Beauty Fix, which I chopped mine first, so I can like cheat. I haven't looked at it, I just
Golden
opened it
eyes.
first, but it looks like that when you open it.
Okay.
And these came like right away. We have other boxes we're going to fill back to back, so if you see us in the same clothes. But
that's what's on the inside.
save up to 20% on the back there.
Okay, so
But yeah, we're going to
pull
do
up the first
Fantastic
thing.
and some
Okay.
other ones too.
microneedle lip plumping roller.
I'd probably use that.
Aura. What's it say? What brand? Aura?
Yeah, Aura, I guess.
So there's that. I don't know how you're supposed to use that, but
This is the box that's around like $26 or $7
$26
something. This is Lancer Studio Filter Pore Perfecting Primer, which I don't know if I need more primers, but whatever. If I don't use it, I'll put it in the
what are
giveaway.
you grabbing next? match you
The
here.
Arden Company
High Dive Moisture and Shine
Cream
for hair.
For hair.
Yeah.
Maybe another giveaway. Maybe
For hair.
I can't use all the hair products I get. We're not wearing makeup today, as you can see. So all of our videos are going to be without makeup for these next few videos we're doing.
I already have a beauty junkie.
I wonder if these are the same.
Rush to Whisper, or what is it? Oh, Smith and Cole.
Yeah, I was gonna say I have
Beeline
eye pen.
eye pen.
Rush to Whisper must be the
Oh,
color.
is that the color? Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I was reading it backwards.
Show your color. I would put this in a giveaway probably too. So so I don't know if
It's
you
an
want
eyeliner, right?
Yeah, I'm just saying I don't know if you want to mark it or not, but it's up to you. I don't know if it's black or wet, so that's what I was wondering. But while she's looking at it, this is One Step Original Clear Pad COS RX, COS RX. This facial toner gently wipes out excess oil and keeps the complexion clear, refined, and well balanced. So that's cute. I will use that since it's more like skincare at least. Then there is Verso Hydration Serum with niacinamide. I don't know how I say that. It's got the number 4.
So that's what it looks like. I don't know if that's only. I mean,
niacinamide. I don't know if I'm
I don't
saying
know
that
what
right.
color is.
But there's
Maybe
that.
darker.
If I'm holding it up correctly. And then well,
What
that
would
way
you
too, you can see if
say?
it's dry or not.
I guess if you do like multiple layers, it gets darker.
Oh, okay, so it's kind of like a faded black look. This is Indie Solar Sciences Daily Eye Repair Emulsion enhanced with Prevention R. All skin types, mineral oil free, fragrance free, won't clog pores. So I will use that too if I can figure out what it does. Eye repair
Is it
emulsion.
right?
I could use that if it's for eye repair at all, because all my eye creams aren't the way I'd want them to be. But that was it for this video. Again, these products all together would be, well, I mean, we pay about $26, $27, but I'm not sure how much they all come to. If we can find that out ever, we'll let you guys know. But that was it for this video. Let us know what you think. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 200 subscribers, and we'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.